Πιστεύω, είσαι ένα θεό πατέρα παντοκράτορα κουλουπού κουλουπού κουλουπού, ότι μπορώ να γίνω το επόμενο super idol because I may do it. Oh yeah! Έχω τελειώσει τεχνικό λύκειο, fashion design, και έχω έρθει εδώ, δεν ξέρω γιατί, τέλος πάντων αυτό.
Τι θα μας πεις?
Madonna Hollywood.
Πάμε λοιπόν.
Everybody comes to Hollywood. They wanna make it in your neighborhood. They like to smell a bit in Hollywood. I couldn't hate you when you look so good. Shine your light now. This time it's got to be good. And get it right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause you're in Hollywood. You're in Hollywood. Cause you're in Hollywood. It's something in the air in Hollywood. The sun is shining, making you bold. The body in the car in Hollywood. You got the topper and you feel so good. Show you right now. Cause you're in, okay. Show you right now. This time it's got to be good. Get it right now, yeah. Cause you're in Hollywood. Cause you're in Hollywood. You're in Hollywood. Okay.